Hi, my name is Nick Terry, and today we're going to be talking about how to clean windows streak-free. And in order to do this, you're going to need some window cleaning equipment, such as a squeegee and a window cleaning sponge, and then also window cleaning solution. And here in front of me, I have a bucket with window cleaning solution, so I'm just going to dip my window cleaning sponge in here. Of course, the first thing you want to do is get your window completely wet. And if there are any parts of the window that you see extra dirt, you might want to go over it a couple of times with the sponge here. So one other thing you want to remember as you're washing windows, especially when you're washing all your home, is to make sure your window cleaning solution is actually clean. Because when you wash many dirty windows, that cleaning solution can get dirty and that can leave a lot of streaks. So now, once you have it all wet, you're going to take your squeegee, you're just going to go side to side. One thing you do not want to do is start right in the middle of the pane. You always want to start from one side and go all the way across. And just like that, you don't have any streaks on it. But one important thing about window washing is detailing, because often there can be a little streak right around the side. So you want to go over all the sides. And with that, now you have a window streak-free.